So in Let's Discuss, we are going to learn about exponents in more depth. So in lesson 1, we have learned about algebraic expressions, right? And they consist of three parts, which are the base, coefficient, and exponent. So an algebraic expression consists of those three things: base, coefficient, and exponents, right? And for example, if you have 4x squared, then what is a base? Base is the x right here. That's the base. And coefficient is the number in front of the base, and exponent is the one right here. Okay, so exponent is this one. Base is this x right here. Coefficient is the 4 right here. Okay, so exponents are numbers indicated above the base. So 2, for example, is the exponent, and 2y3. So what is an exponent here? 3 right there. 3, that's the exponent, right? That's the exponent. And they tell how many times the base is to be multiplied. So what does that mean? Well, x times x to the third power, that's the same thing as x times x times x, and in this case y to the third power is y times y times y, right? What about y to the fourth power? It's the same thing as y times y times y times y, right? But then why do we use the exponents? We can just simply write x to the third power as x times x times x, right? But then why do we learn about exponents? Say we have a number that's really large, really big, like 1 trillion. A trillion has 12 zeros. So 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Every time you write 1 trillion, we don't want to write this long number right here. We can just simply write it like 1 times 10 to the how many zeros? 12 zeros, right? So we can simply write this long number as very short form of exponents by using exponents. Okay, so that's why we learn about exponents, and exponent is the number above the base. Okay, so remember that exponent tells how many times the base is to be multiplied. So in this case, x is multiplied by 3 times, right? 3 x's and 3 y's, 4 y's, and 12 tens. Okay, so now let's move on to let's try.